Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. So news as on January 10, 2021 is Reefer captain defied honor and brought the ship to his homeland waters. Reefer Express 9 entered Thailand waters and anchored at Phuket Island anchorage early January 8 without giving notice to authorities and getting permission to do so. Port authorities and police boarded the ship and interrogated crew and captain. 18 crew includes 6 Thais, including captain, 7 Indonesian, 1 Myanmar, and 4 Chinese nationalities. According to crew and captain's story, the ship left China in August last year with honor ordered to collect fish products in the Arabian Sea, including areas near Somali waters. Crew contracts were overdue, and no guard were provided to protect the ship from possible pirates' attack. Captain decided after talk with crew to leave the area and took ship to Phuket. The ship remains at anchor. Investigation continues. The outcome of this incident is yet unclear. Understood Thai crew member requests to be disembarked and allowed to return home. Captain obviously defied honest orders and strictly speaking, taking ship under control without honest consent can be considered an act of piracy or riot. It's up to investigation and probably trial to decide if it was justifiable. Reefer Express 6 IMO 7811 TWT 2769, built 1979, flag Mongolia. If you like this information, do share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned with our next video. Thank you.